Hi, this is a walkthrough for week 5, day 2 on using LangSmith for monitoring, debugging, and evaluating large language models. So, task we have to do is to create RAG chain for setting up a question and answer feature. We're going to use LangSmith to take a look, monitor, and compare the very different evaluation metrics and also modify the different retrievers by comparing the basic one with parent document retriever and ensemble retriever, which is a hybrid version as well. So we go through the setting up the dependencies and open API key, setting up the basic rack chain, which you have gone over a number of times. So the data set we're going to use is the LangChain blog. So we're going to load them up, chunk them up, and then convert them into vector databases so that we can retrieve the the um, the knowledge source as a vector store. And then we're going to construct our prompt template, use the LCL chain to pipeline or put together a sequence of tasks. And then we're going to set up LangChain to see how it performs. And as you can see, here's a screenshot of the runnable. Um, and there's a question about what is LangChain. It brings back the response. And we'll take the data set created as for testing. We're going to generate some synthetic data, and we're using GPT-4o for that. And we generate 23 synthetic data set so we can compare and contrast. We use a number of different evaluation metrics, and there's 5 different ones. And because of the rate limit, I'm going to test one at a time. First one is the chain of thought, COT. Other one is using a accuracy, coherence, relevance, and the dopeness. So um, because of the rate limit, I'm going to use a COT to compare different retrievers. So running through them, we're going to test the other retrievers compared to the base one with the parent, which is combining, essentially run multiple child and then merge them back to the parent one. So hopefully it'll improve things. And then the other retriever is the ensemble approach. We'll take the best, the dense versus child versus regular ones. Essentially, it's a similar idea of the ensemble method where we compare the best ones. And when we compare the 3 different models, and this is the using a comparing experiment feature on um, LangSmith, we'll see that compared to the base ones, parent one and the hybrid one does improve. This is a COT or chain of thought. So it seems to be slightly better, but obviously it depends on what kind of questions that you're constructing, the prompts, as well as the other which criteria that you use. Anyways, thanks for watching.